guys, my name is Manujay Karyaperuma. In today's lesson, I am going to show you how to stack beads when you stick welding. I got here some half-inch plate. What I'm going to do is stack some beads on flat position, horizontal position, vertical position and overhead. It is very important to practice in stacking, overlapping and restart when you stick welding. Alright, first I'm going to start with flat position. Okay guys, right now I'm going to show you how to restart when you do stick welding. Your start position is right here, but when you strike, do not start from here. What you have to do, come about inch from your start position and strike and go slowly forward and then come back again. In this video I am going to show you how to do the restart your stick rod. Right now I got here my first bead. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do the second one. Okay, in this video I will show you how to do the second one. You have to travel welding rod about right here. Alright guys, right now I got another restart here. What you have to do, anytime when you do the restart, do not start right here. Same like I did before. Come inch from your restart position, strike and go slowly to your position and then come back. guys, right now I finished with the flat position. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to move to the horizontal. Alright guys, right now I'm going to do the horizontal position. In horizontal position, when you restart, you have to do same thing. Do not start right here. Just strike right here and go forward, and then start, come back. Same like flat position. Okay. Alright guys, right now I'm going to do vertical position. The restart is same like the other position. You have to strike here 1 inch above and then come down, go back up. Okay, let's see. centering. Guys, right now I'm going to do overhead position. Restart is same like the other 3 position. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, we have complete today's lesson, how to stack in beads. I got here my flat, horizontal, vertical and overhead. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more video like this. Thank you for watching.